तत्येव तिष्ठति ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसह्यसाहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकावाय मह्यम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् The purpose of chanting this mantra is to stimulate our mind and spirit. Swami Vivekananda says, I have born to do this, to stimulate the young minds with the infallible power of the Vedic mantras. I am born for this, to revive that ancient spirit in this great land. And he says, I see as clearly as daylight that you are all born the sages of India in different forms. That's all. I see it clearly as daylight. So we have to rouse the whole nation through this infallible power of the Vedic mantras. It creates rajas, it creates sattva, not tamas. Tamas is all laziness, dullness, darkness, negativity, bad habits, etc., etc., etc. When you chant the mantra pushpam of the suktas, of the Vedas, and the Gitas, and the Upanishads, it creates new vibrations in the subconscious mind. Mantra chaitanyam anuntundi. Mantra shakti anuntundi. When you know the meaning, it is much more effective. When you don't know the meaning, even then it is effective. Because by itself it carries a power. That is called sphota. Sphota means that Shabda, Nada Brahma. So when we chant, young people, when you chant with sincerity and devotion, the whole atmosphere becomes charged. You should participate. That is in Ramakrishna Math, we don't want silent spectators. We want active participants. For any issue, whether it is a public speech, whether it's meditation, whether it's chanting, whether it is a class, whether it is seva, whether it is washing the plates, active participation. Today 99% have become silent spectators. That is why all negativity and bad things are increasing. So this mantra pushpam brings in the entire nature into our personality. All the nakshatras, all the gods, all the divine, everything in Prakriti is God, is divine. The whole thing is offering pushpam, mantra pushpam, flowers to the divine, the Mahapurusha, in a subtle form, in a mantra form. So Sri Ramakrishna prayed, Mother, I don't know anything mantra, tantra and bhajan. I know that I am your child. That powerful prayer, it stimulated the mother also. So all of you should not just take it as a ritual. You should take it as a deep inner sadhana to change your personality. Those who have come for personality development and those who are regular members of Yoga Jagrati, lesson is the same. Application is the same. But only your practice matters. Clear? Why we are doing all this? Fulfill the vision of Swamiji on his 150th birth anniversary. Time is running away very fast. Week after week is going away. But question is how well I am, fulfilling the dream, the vision of Swamiji, along with my professional excellence, along with my studies, along with my responsibilities. Can I take up on my shoulder something more? For that he will himself give you strength because you are offering. your time and your energy. Am I clear? The purpose of chanting the mantras is this. And most of the time when you go to a temple or when you visit any place, whether it's even marriage or whether Guru Pravesham or whether it is opening of a house or what you call office, people go on chanting some priests, etc. But most of them will be talking and gossiping and they'll be standing like dead bodies. You learn, I say. You understand, you participate. This is not meant only for one community or one higher caste. That is the problem with our people. How many times we have seen people go on simply standing or talking in a mobile or seeing their watch or this one. And blah, 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 that priest will be telling something. What is this? Why we are doing like that? Can't you learn today? No problem of knowledge. Media is there, Google is there, books are there, word to word meaning is there, summary is there, why, what, how, when, where, science also is there. It is called science of the Vedic mantras. You got the point here? So all youngsters should take it up responsibility. Who will take? Parliament? Or secretariat staff? మీరు చేయకపోతే ఇంకెవరు చేస్తారు? ధర్మో రక్షతి రక్షిత అంటాం. రీబిల్డ్ ఇండియా ఎలాగ అవుతుంది? బిల్డర్ ఈ సిమెంట్ ఇది కొట్టేసి ఇంకో బిల్డింగ్ పెడదాం. Rebuild means what? Mantra building, character building. You are changing your attitude, changing your mind stuff. It is called a paradigm shift. One going slowly in one direction, whole life. Paradigm shift. Total maripower. For example, in management they teach about Maslow's law, hierarchy. Low is majority. Ante roti kapda makan. My job, my family, majority approved. Higher కొంచెం స్టేటస్, డిగ్రీ ఎట్సెట్రా ఇంకొంచెం తగ్గుతుంది. థర్డ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఎస్టీమ్, స్టేటస్ ఎట్సెట్రా, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్, యువర్ సోషల్ కమిట్మెంట్స్. బట్ ఫైనలీ పీక్కి వచ్చేటప్పుడు వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు ద టాప్, ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ యాక్చువలైజేషన్. దట్ బికమ్స్ మైనారిటీ, దట్ బికమ్స్ కౌంటబుల్. స్వల్పమేవ, కొంచెమే. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి రివర్స్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. You should finish quickly all your achievements and all things and go for self-actualization. The cone should be reverse. The cone should be reverse actually. It should not be like pyramid. It should be reverse. Majority should be struggling for that. The minority should quickly finish this one and go up. Come on, come on, come on. Eppudu chestavu adi. That is your challenge. Nature is giving a challenge. Conquer me, conquer me. Man is a man so long as he is struggling to conquer nature, internal and external. Swamiji says, man is a man. Man means women also, human beings. When he is conquering nature, external and internal. Got the point here? How to do it? Chant the mantras. Go back to the roots of India. Swamiji mentions this point. Somebody had, so you are talking only about too much about past. Somebody questioned him in India or America. He said, yes, because our past is so great, sir. I am not talking about the past of America which has no past. He says, you ask an Indian what is his root, he will trace it to 5,000 years old sages of India. Bharadwaja, Angirasa, Gautama, Kanada, Patanjali. Oh my goodness. And you ask the root of an American boy or European boy, he will trace it to a bandicoot or a dacoit in a forest who was painting himself blue naked, not knowing where to wear a dress. They were all savages when the rishis were inventing the brilliant sciences and the grammars and the pronunciations. Mark Twain says, India's greatest contribution was the cradle of communication. Communication వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నేర్చుకోవడం అవసరం లేదు. తైత్రీయోపనిషత్తు ఓపెన్ చేసేస్తే నీ కమ్యూనికేషన్. शिक्षां व्याख्यास्यामः व्याख्या वर्णस्वरः मात्राबलं सामसंतानः. కమ్యూనికేషన్. ఇక్కడ కమ్యూనికేషన్ చేసాం మనం. ఇక్కడ పైన మంత్రాల మీద ఒక్కొక్క మార్క్ ఉంది చూసారా? హ్యావ్ యు అబ్జర్వ్డ్? అబౌవ్ 1 mark or 2 marks, below 1 mark or sometimes no mark. That is pronunciation. పైకి వెళ్తే ఉదాత్త, కిందకు వెళితే అనుదాత్త, మార్క్ లేకపోతే స్వరిత. సైన్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ దిస్ ఇస్. ఊరినే వాళ్ళు నామాలు పెట్టలేదు, పనిలేదు. దాంట్లో గ్రామర్ ఉందండి, దాంట్లో కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఉందండి. ఇది నేర్చుకోండి. ఇంజనీర్స్ విల్ బికమ్ బెటర్ ఇంజనీర్స్, lawyers will become better lawyers, doctors will become better doctors, nobody will become somebody. Nobody will become somebody. You see, for example, how you have to talk on stage or off stage, in the house or in the market. Swarita, Anudatta, Udatta. Keep it in mind, backside of your mind. See, here I started. Om Swarita. No, there is no up and down. Om కిందకి వెళ్ళి పైకి వచ్చేసింది వాయిస్, బట్ స్వరం అక్కడే ఉంది. సంగీత విద్వాంసులు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు కొంతమంది. ఓకే, let us come back. Swarita, Anudatta, కిందకి వెళ్ళింది వాయిస్. పైకి వెళ్ళింది వాయిస్, but the swaram is the same. This is the control where you start. Either I can start here, అక్కడే ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి I can manipulate my voice, but it has to come back here. That is modulation, voice modulation. 10,000 రూపాయలు అడుగుతారు, నాకేమండి ఇప్పుడు నేర్పించండి, మీకు 10,000 ఇవ్వండి. దానికోసం ఎవరు బృహస్పతి టై కోట్ వేసుకుంటే చాలా, గుండు కొట్టుకుంటే చాలు, నేర్పించాలంటే కరెక్ట్గా. ఓకే, సో సి ఓం సహనా భవతు, 3 వచ్చేసాయి ఒక దాంట్లో, 1 word లో 3. సహనా సహనా భవతు, స అనుదాత్త, స్వరిత ఉదాత్త. Clear? Voice is remaining, but it is just up and down. Swarita, Anudatta, Udatta. So you have, when there is double mark, you have to break, just go like, just a curve. For example, ikkada Rajadi Raja you see, Om Rajadi Rajaya Prasahya Sahine. Voice just goes up. Double octave. Rajadi Rajaya Prasahya Sahine. Okay? There you should be concentrating on that. Voice, how it just goes up. It not cuts. Actually, kontamandi over excitement lo Rajadi Rajaya Prasahya Sahine. Gone. That grammar has gone, meaning will change. Cut చేస్తున్నాం పదాన్ని. శేఖర్ అంటే కారం, అర్థమైందా? ప్రసాద్ అంటే డోంట్ కట్ ఇట్, ప్రసాద్. Ramakrishna, one name. It's a combination. Vivekananda, combination. Brihaspati, combination. Vanaspati, combination. So some people get overexcited and without knowing the meaning, khandisthar danni. Khandana ayipindadi. You want to blend it, but you are removing it. So beauty is gone. The meaning itself will change. You understand? So adi your concentration. These are Vedic maths, science of pronunciation. Ucharanam, correctga, Saraswati, lips mida. Ade Vivekananda mantra. The history says when Swamiji was chanting, the whole auditorium used to vibrate because it was coming so powerfully, so beautifully. When Sri Ramakrishna was singing, whole temple premises was vibrating because he was so full of that. So that helps you in your spiritual life and also in your study life. Same mind. Akkada vere, you are not replacing the mind as if you replace your car tire. It's just a flow. Just a flow. ఎందుకు దాన్ని మనం కరప్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి? సో మంత్ర శక్తి, మంత్ర చైతన్యం. Please be clear about it. Why we are doing all this? Chanting చేస్తే మనసు totally purify అయిపోతుంది. And the same mind will flow Brahmavarchas, Kshatraviryam, Brahma Tejas. Swamiji's concept of ideal personality, total strength, concentration, willpower, discrimination plus Brahma Tejas, the brilliance of a Rishi, inside out. These are some of the very important points. So what? Body language. I, a member of Young India, shall not forget that the ideal of our womanhood is Sita, Savitri, Damayanti, Rani of Jhansi, and similar others. I shall not forget that the ideals our country has always upheld are truthfulness, contentment, and service. Let me not forget that my wealth, my life are not for sense pleasure, are not for my individual personal happiness. I shall try not to forget ever that I am born to sacrifice myself for the country and its people. The lower classes, the tribals, the farmers, the ignorant, the poor, illiterate, cobbler, the sweeper are my flesh and blood, my brothers and sisters. I shall be brave, bold and courageous, and be proud that I am an Indian. I shall proudly proclaim I am an Indian. Every Indian is my brother. Hereafter I shall say the ignorant Indian, the poor and destitute Indian, educated Indian, Dalit Indian are my brothers and sisters. Hereafter I shall proudly proclaim at the top of my voice, every Indian is my brother and sister. Indian is my life. India society is the cradle of my infancy, the pleasure garden of my youth, the sacred heaven. India society is the solace of my old age. I shall say the soil of India is my highest heaven. Good of India is my good. And repeat and pray day and night. O Lord, O God of strength, grant me fearlessness and energy. Take away my weakness and make me perfect. Make all of us perfect, each in one's own place. The great task before the youth is speeding up the awakening of India and her people in the face of several obstacles. Therefore, I promise today that hereafter I shall voice my protest by speech or by writings or by individual or group action against all forms of exploitation, injustice, blind and selfish monetary or political power. and violence directed at the poor, the ignorant, the handicapped, the farmers and tribals. This is my promise. O Lord, give me boundless courage to live up to my promises to my country and its people. Let the limitless spiritual power within me awake for the good of the many, for the happiness of the many. Close your eyes, 1 minute. Just recollect what you can. Just let it soak into your heart. Think of Swamiji. Think of character. Think of what you will do Monday to Saturday till we meet again next Sunday, 11th of Friends Without Friends. Just 1 minute. Please think. బాగా ఆలోచించాలి, ప్రార్థన చేయాలి స్వామీజీకి, జగన్మాతకి, శ్రీరామకృష్ణకి. Few seconds more. Hold your mind on what you will do Monday to Saturday. That is your laboratory. That is your field of work. 10 seconds more.
Ram